Welcome to the complete guide to TensorFlow for deep learning with Python. My name is Jose Portilla and I'll be your instructor for this course. I currently have over 250,000 students on Udemy teaching various topics, such as Python, machine learning, data science, finance, and more. I'm also a technical corporate trainer for Fortune 500 companies. In this course, we'll teach you how to use Google's TensorFlow framework to perform the latest cutting-edge techniques in machine learning. This course is based off the same deep learning material I've developed for some of the world's top tech companies. Let's give you a quick overview of the course curriculum. We'll start off with a brief crash course in the essential Python data science libraries, including NumPy for numerical processing, Pandas for data analysis, Matplotlib for visualization, and utilizing scikit-learn for processing machine learning datasets. Once we are done with the crash course, we'll focus on building an intuitive understanding of the basics of neural networks, including perceptrons, activation functions, backpropagation, and more. After those neural network basics, we'll explore how to unlock the full potential of deep learning with TensorFlow. In this course, we cover a variety of networks. We'll begin the course by understanding basic artificial neural networks, such as densely connected networks. We'll learn how to use these for basic classification and regression tasks. Afterwards, we'll work on understanding convolutional neural networks, eventually using them to solve complex image classification tasks. Then we'll move on to creating recurrent neural networks, including the latest topics in this field such as long short-term memory units and gated recurrent units. With recurrent neural networks, we'll be able to analyze sequences of data, such as time series. We'll also cover other models, such as the word-to-vec algorithm for word embeddings, allowing us to map individual words to vectors and explore the relationships between them. We'll cover how to use autoencoders to perform unsupervised learning tasks with neural networks. This course even covers advanced topics such as generative adversarial networks and how to use reinforcement learning algorithms with the OpenAI Gym, where we'll teach networks how to solve tasks such as playing video games. With this course, you'll get clear video explanations for every topic, including easy-to-understand slides to cover theoretical aspects in an intuitive way, and fully coded notebooks that allow you to easily reference the code shown in the course. Not only do you get great technical content, but you'll also get access to our online question and answer forums and Gitter chat room, where you can go for quick help and talk with thousands of other students. Upon completion of this course, you'll also get a certificate of completion that you can post on your LinkedIn profile to show off to your colleagues and potential employers. All of this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the entire course risk-free. Check out the various other preview videos so you can get a glimpse of everything we have inside the course. Enroll today and we'll see you inside.